So here's a problem that was given in a pre-algebra class where I would normally use more of an algebra strategy for this type of problem, but because it was given in a pre-algebra class, I'll walk through it using kind of more pre-algebra ideas. So starting out, it says a recipe mixture for a cake uses 2.5 times as much sugar as cocoa and 4 times as much flour as cocoa. The total mixture for the cake weighs 1.5 kilograms. How much flour is used? So since we know the ingredients relative to cocoa, let's start by making a guess, or just like starting with a certain amount of cocoa. For example, if we say that we have 1 kilogram of cocoa, just to start somewhere, then because we have 2.5 times as much sugar in cocoa as cocoa, that means it would be like 2.5 kilograms of sugar. And because we have 4 times as much flour as cocoa, we would take that one, multiply it by 4. That would give us 4 kilograms of flour. Then it gives us information about how much the total mixture weighs. It says the total mixture for the cake weighs 1.5 kilograms. How much flour is used? So if we find our total mixture, our total weight, it would be 1 plus 2.5 plus 4. If we add all of those together, it gives us a total weight of 7.5 kilograms. So we have way too much than what they want us to have. So what we can do is take the amount that we made and divide it by the amount that they want us to make. So if we take this 7.5 kilograms, divide it by our 1.5, when we divide, that gives us 5. So that means that the amount that we have is 5 times too big. So we need to essentially divide each of these numbers by 5. So if we take 1 and divide it by 5, that makes 0.2 kilograms of cocoa. If we take 2.5, divide it by 5, it makes 0.5 kilograms of sugar. And if we take the 4, divide it by 5, it makes 0.8 kilograms of flour. And the question is asking how much flour is used. So the 0.8 kilograms of flour would be our answer. We could also check to make sure our total mixture ends up weighing what we wanted it to. If we add 0.2 and 0.5 and 0.8, I get that to equal 1.5. So it does equal the total mass that we wanted it to weigh. So this is a strategy for this problem, again, using more of like conceptual ideas or pre-algebra as opposed to like choosing a variable as you would do in algebra. Okay, so I hope this step-by-step solution was helpful for you. If it was, please leave me a like and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions you would like to see a similar step-by-step solution for a problem. Thanks for watching.